Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Smart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, we will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet dresses. In this video, we will try our best to show you the top trending crochet dresses. Actually, we are the one who will provide you the basic ideas about crocheting. You are the one who can change or modify by yourself as you desire. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now and also press bell icon so that you can find all type of video notifications. Crocheting a dress not only results in a beautiful garment but also offers numerous personal and practical benefits. Here are some benefits which we want to discuss with you. We will start it from the first point: long-lasting memories. Each piece tells a story, making it sentimental over time. Adaptable techniques. Experiment with different techniques like lace or motifs. Cultural exploration. Discover patterns and techniques from different cultures. Skill transfer. Skill learned in crocheting can be applied to other crafts. Mindfulness practice. Focus on the process can foster mindfulness and relaxation. Versatile use. Crocheted dress can often be adapted for different occasions. Fashion statement. Stand out in a garment that reflects your personality. Stash busting. Use up leftover yarn and materials you have at home. Social media sharing. Showcase your creations on platforms like Instagram. Endless patterns. Access to a vast array of patterns and tutorials online. Historical craft. Engage with a craft that has a rich history and tradition. Increase satisfaction. Wearing something you made can boost self-esteem. Memorable gift. It's also the main point which always I'm telling in every video. If you have any of one your special friend and you have great love with your friend and you wanna give him very special gift, may he remember that gift unlimited years. We have very great idea for you. If you know crocheting, it will be well. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have solution for that. You can just make a contact with the person who knows crocheting and give him order to make a very special crochet dress for your beloved one. I'm sure if you give that gift to your beloved one, I'm sure 100% sure he or she will remember that gift for 100 years. A handmade dress make a specific gift for loved ones. Versatile layering. Crocheted dress can be laid over other clothing for different looks. Custom lengths. You can modify the length to your preferences from mini to maxi. Durability. Handcrafted items can often be more durable than mass-produced garments. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Year-round wear. Create dresses suitable for any season by adjusting the yarn. Learning opportunity. Challenges you to learn new techniques and stitches. Cost effective. Can be cheaper than buying a similar quality dress. Community engagement. Connect with fellow crocheters through clubs or online groups. Portable hobby. Easy to take with you anywhere for crafting on the go. Skill development. Enhances fine motor skills and coordinations. Therapeutic. The repetitive motion can be